Now we are learning to know the number between two decimals. For example, what is the number between 4.7 and 4.8? Well, the best way to start is to first look at our handy number line. Now remember, we're trying to find the number that's perfectly in the middle between these two numbers. That number right here is what we're after. So if we've already got tenths, these numbers 7 and 8 tenths, that means we're going to get into the hundredths next, that next decimal place. So we need to put in those extra numbers on our number line. Now it's just a matter of counting to see how many we get to that middle spot. So this first one here is going to be 4.71. Then it's going to go 4.72, 4.73, 4.74, and that leaves this big one here is 4.75. So the number between these two decimals is 4.75. It can also help to add the zeros on each one, these hundredths, to help us think which number is in the middle. Because that 0 is just a placeholder, like 4.70 and 4.80. They're the same numbers as 4.7 and 4.8. Now let's take it to the next level. What's the number between 9.3 and 9.6? First, let's get out that handy number line. And straight away we can see this one's going to be a little bit different because we don't have 10 hundredths between these two numbers. We've got 3 tenths or 30 hundredths between them. So we need to split it up into 9.4, 9.5, and then 9.6. So we're trying to find this big number here in between to get the middle. So now it's just the same as before. We could put in our little numbers in between and then count them all. But when you get good at it, you know which one it will be. So we know the number between 9.4 and 9.5 is going to be 9.45. So, not too bad, huh? You could also think of it as the number between 9.30 and 9.60 is 9.45, because the number between 30 and 60 is 45. And that's how you know the number between two decimals.